.1 seconds, moving from 12th to 4th, making that McCann-Ramos battle a little more academic, bumping both of them out of the trophies and moving into the number 4 spot in G Street. Boy, Azevedo coming out of left field to throw one on the board, and so does Robin Newboard. Drops a second to move from 15th to 8th in G Street into the trophies. The only GTI in the trophies right now. Robin Newboard out of Inner Grove Heights, Minnesota. So wow, two drivers, Azevedo and Newboard, just getting it done on their last runs and moving themselves into these trophy spots in G Street. You gotta have a 64.5 or better to get a trophy in G Street right now.